Alright, we're ready to get a ride in with Fireblade Fetty. The Fireblade's sounding good. Not as good as this Beamer, but you know. We got Kitty's Gixxer. You guys have never got an up close of Kitty's Gixxer. Just kidding, I wouldn't do that to Kitty. Look how good the bike looks from back here. It almost looks like a 2020, like it is. But you go up close, a different story. By the look of Fetty's bike, that's about a 2000. I don't know. Looks like it could be a 15.
He likes the song about how Kitty takes too long, 'cause he's always waiting on the new Kitty song, for it takes too long. Zoom zoom, Freddy's gone.
Fetty ran out of gear. What's up? The first ride on Angela's Forest with Fireblade Fetty. So that's 9 Mile Road.
Yeah. 9 Mile, that's what a dog job. But going up the Lincoln is going to be slow. This thing's kind of flat, though.
Yeah, it's a wide open too. Yeah, I mean, Bunny knows we're going straight though.
Yeah?
Yeah, she knows we're not going to Newcombs. We said we're going to Little Mexico. This is the straightaway we usually race on. Got wrong. You ain't got no mirrors. You can't even tell. Your GoPro's off.
That's nice, huh?
Your GoPro's off.
I just turned it off.
Oh. Well, we could go back up that straight looking for Kitty.
Is Kitty alright? Not back there.
Oh, okay. He said it crashed? What?
I'm coming from the wind.
You crashed?
No, I picked up a rock.
That guy said your buddy crashed.
What?
Yeah.
I parked my bike and ran up the road.
Oh.
No, it said your buddy pulled off to the side.
Oh, he did?
Yeah, something like that.
Fatty almost crashed right there. He literally was coming this way and almost went off this side of the road. It's kind of weird to...
Oh, the gust blew you? Oh my god. I felt it. I came wheeling up the hill and I thought I was going to hold it by this car, but I just kept like, I had to put it down because I just kept going into the car. Oh dude, another toaster.
Oh, it hit again?
Oh.
Wow, that was a heavy hit. Huh? Better the protector than the lens.
That's a toaster for the motor.
That's crazy. I was only following people for like 4 minutes maybe out of the whole ride.
So I got gas light on, so I was thinking we didn't put you up enough? Or did we not put any in you? Thought you did. Okay, well, we should head back. And then get some gas. And then we can do another ride. We can do the other way or whatever.
Sure.
Do you have any protectors?
Huh? Yeah, that's a protector on
Yeah,
there.
but do you have any more?
No.
Because that's going to... What's the battery percentage? 41. Alright, let's get back and...
We want to run this... Do you want to run this straight or it probably doesn't have enough gas?
Yeah, Teddy, it's right now. But do you have the countdown thing? How long is it? 24. It's just so long. It's 25. It's just 25 miles? Yeah. Oh, God. Yeah, Freddy shouldn't race.
Yeah. No straight away.
Wait,
And
is that funny? Damn. I had to remove the rock. I'd have just been beside myself if Bunny hit that rock.
Yeah.